Welcome back to my daily report market analysis videos with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec on Friday the 17th of January. Looking at euro dollar, which has just dropped away. You had some pretty disappointing and very weak actually UK retail sales data, and euro's been sort of hit a little bit guilty by association really, and that's dragged euro dollar back a little bit. It's interesting, it's sort of testing these two levels now, this old downtrend which it had broken out yesterday but sort of came back towards it this morning, and also this little mini uptrend as well. We still think that euro is a very difficult market to really get too much out of at the moment. There's really low volatility play on the euro dollar at the moment. Only average two range, I'm just looking at it now, 45 pips is really low on euro dollar, so it doesn't do a great deal, and there is a very minor positive bias that we continue to sort of focus on the fact that in recent months, since the beginning of October, it's been forming higher lows and higher highs, and weakness has been bought into. The momentum indicators pick up around their sort of positive medium-term configuration levels around that 3840 mark on RSI, MACD lines above neutral, stochastics picking up again, but the traction in the recovery again coming under pressure, really failing to take off once more. You do have this little mini uptrend in place over the past 2 weeks, but that is under pressure today. You can see that through the hourly chart. We've just dropped back below 111.30, which again for me is a disappointment because that had been building as a pivot area, and breaking back underneath that, it sort of adds to pressure growing to the downside. Momentum indicators on the hourly pretty much neutrally configured really, oscillating consistently between 30 and 70 on the hourly RSI throughout the past week and a half of this rally. So that would suggest that perhaps it's a rally that isn't going to get traction and isn't finding too much decisive moves or strength, and perhaps this little correction back isn't to be unexpected, but it is a little bit disappointing. However, and whilst the market continues to trade above 11 figure, you're still maintaining that positive bias, I think, on euro dollar, and effectively until you break the higher low, which the first one of which is at 1065, I don't really think you're getting too upset about a really decisive move to the downside on euro. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading today. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos and go to our website to sign up for our webinars.